Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Aabish from class C2 at Dominican Convent Higher Secondary School, Bahawalpur. Today, I am excited to walk you through my biology summer assignment. Let's start with this short animation showing how the human lungs expand and contract during respiration. Next, take a look as I sketch out the main parts of the human respiratory system. Lungs are the main organs at work here. Air enters through our nostrils, passes through the nasal cavity, pharynx and larynx, and heads down into the trachea. The trachea splits into two main bronchi which divide into smaller bronchioles, finally ending in tiny air sacs called alveoli. This is where the actual gas exchange happens. To keep everything safe, the lungs are protected by the rib cage with the diaphragm resting right underneath. Here's a cool fun fact before we move on. Our lungs can hold about 6 liters of air, but we only use a fraction of that during normal breathing. Now let's check out the hands-on part of my project, a working model of the lungs. To build this, I used simple household materials, a plastic bottle, 2 small balloons and 1 large balloon, 2 straws, tape, glue and scissors, a craft cutter and a small container. Putting these together created a working setup that shows how our lungs inflate and deflate as we breathe. Here's how each part maps to the human anatomy. The plastic bottle represents the chest or thoracic cavity. The 2 small balloons act as the lungs. The straws can be considered the trachea and the bronchi, and the large bottom balloon represents the diaphragm. When I pull the bottom balloon down, the space inside increases and the air pressure drops. Air rushes in through the straws, inflating the inner balloons. This shows inhalation, breathing in. When I push the bottom balloon back up, the internal space shrinks and pressure builds up, squeezing the air out and deflating the balloons. This shows exhalation or breathing out. This is exactly how our diaphragm works. It contracts and moves down when we inhale and then relaxes and moves up when we exhale, creating the pressure changes needed to move air in and out. Lastly, let's head over to the written question and answer portion of the assignment to test our understanding of these biology concepts. Special thanks to our teacher for giving us such a fun and practical assignment. We really appreciate your constant guidance and support. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.